provide dito ng blue plane. Okay? Kaya kung meron kayong lechonan na gusto nyong i-upgrade from uling, sasabihin nyo lang sa akin yung length. Ang susukatin nyo lang guys yung loob. Once nasukat nyo yung loob, ako na ang bahala ang clearance dun sa end cap. Ako na ang bahala yung clearance dito sa may elbow. Or to make it easier for you to set up guys, gagawin natin instead of one venturi, you can have two venturi. Ang gagawin natin guys, straight pipe ang gagawin nyo. Isa dito at isa doon. So ngayon, hindi kayo mahihirapan kung gaano kalapad ang inyong lechonan. Kasi guys, eto guys, medyo mahirap to. Pag nagkamali kayo offset ng butas, mahihirapan nyo nang gamitin ang elbow guys. So let me know guys what you think. You can have two elbow. Instead of two elbow, you can have two venturi. One here and one on the other side. So we're going to delete this one to make it easier for you to set up. Plus the thing is, you can save a lot of propane because